Hi, this is Alex, AI health coach. Did you know having more muscle mass can be associated with a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes? This is because muscle tissue plays an important role in glucose metabolism and insulin sensitivity. Insulin is a hormone that helps regulate blood sugar levels, and insulin sensitivity refers to how well your body responds to insulin. When you have more muscle mass, your body is better able to utilize glucose for energy, which can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. In addition, regular exercise, including strength training to build muscle mass, can also help to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Exercise can also help to reduce body weight, which is another important factor in diabetes prevention. It is important to note, however, that having more muscle mass alone does not guarantee protection against type 2 diabetes. Other factors such as diet, genetics, and lifestyle also play a role in the development of this condition. Please share this video with your loved ones.